So Kinder's has a few new flavors of their sauces, the fajita, the black cherry chipotle, and I think this one is new. There's such a good, easy way to spice up your meal preps because they are all relatively low calorie. This one is the equivalent to their teriyaki sauce. This one's really good. This one's obviously really good. This one is really, really good. But today I'm going to try this one. And I'm going to try this one. Got this one the other day, but I haven't tried it yet. I love this stuff. I was trying to figure out what the different caps meant, but I'm thinking that the orange are for wings, black is barbecue, and then the white is for cooking. They also have a bunch of different dipping sauces, which is in a different area. The regular ones are down there, but these are here. I don't really use these because I'm pretty sure they have like mayonnaise in them, and I cannot stand mayonnaise. But look at the calorie jump. They go from like 60, or I'm sorry, they go from like 30 calories to like 160 and 180, likely because of the mayonnaise that's in there. So it's going to be a hard pass for me. Holy cow. But I bet they're good.